Don't settle for less, guys.
Jess Motilia here from Toyota Calamba. Alam nyo ba, sa dami ng lumalabas na car brands ngayon, nakaka-confuse talaga kung ano ang dapat bilhin. Pero if you're looking for a car na proven at dependable dito sa Pilipinas, Toyota lang ang sagot dyan. At eto ha, Toyota is always the #1 choice. Dahil hindi lang ito basta sa kotse. We're talking about QDR. Quality check, durability check, and reliability check. Hindi kayo iwan sa ere, lalo na sa after-sales support. Alam mo ba, almost lahat ng Toyota dealers ay may 3S. Sales, service, spare parts, at may insurance pa. Kaya kahit saan ka man pumunta, may Toyota na ready tumulong sa'yo. Sa Toyota Calamba, we cater one-day release process, mabilis at hassle-free. Kaya kung sa Toyota, hindi lang basta pangarap, choice mo talaga. So kung bibili ka ng sasakyan, choose the brand that's been here for decades. Trusted by millions of Filipinos at may service din nationwide. Dito na sa Toyota Calamba. The Toyota choice is always the smart choice.